Here it says for each of following graph, is the domain and range. If I want to find for the first graph for domain, I say the set of all x such that look x I have from negative infinity to positive infinity. So x is a member of R. Now for range, I say range that shows in a vertical line or vertical axis. I say the set of all y such that y from positive 4 to negative infinity. So I say y is less than and equal. We see the filled circle here, so I say equal 4. It's my range. For the second shape, I want to write domain. Domain here, if I look here, I start from 5 and goes to positive infinity, the horizontal line. We see these two arrows that goes to infinity, shows it's continue to infinity. So I say the set of x such that x is larger than or equal negative 5. And range, for range, we see the range, we don't have any limitation. It goes from negative infinity to positive infinity. So I say the range is set of y such that y is a member of the real number or